My name's Eric Grossman, one of the principals at SBE Electrical Contracting. We are a full-blown electrical contractor capable of performing almost all scopes of electrical work, which is in line with the kind of business we want to do, and hence why I'm here today to explain the partnership with JEM and how they are integrated into the daily operations of the projects which we undertake. We are based in Irvine, California. The marketplace that we're involved in is in Southern California, stretching from possibly San Diego to further up north, San Francisco area, so basically on the West Coast. Currently, right now, we probably are operating on about 27 different projects that are currently under construction. We're probably in negotiations for, I would say, between 10 or 12 new projects that we've been involved in at all different stages and levels. And we have realized over the years, the more we wrap our arms around the project and the more we perform ourselves in terms of the electrical side, being anything to do with any wire or conductor on the project. Most of the projects which you guys are involved in, not only do we do the electrical, now we do the low voltage, and with the assistance of you guys, we also now do the fire alarm. Up until our introduction or relationship that we started building with JEM, we didn't have the ability, I wouldn't say we didn't have the ability to build the job. At the end of the day, we're contractors. We know from conduit, we know from wire, we know from installation scope, we know from connecting devices. That's what a fire alarm system is. We didn't have the expertise in the design and the supply of the materials. And that's when we partnered with JEM on the supply side, and they've given us an ability to provide a turnkey fire alarm solution for all the projects. I want to say over the last few years, we've also integrated them into our process, and at the time of pre-con, they work extensively with our estimating department, have adopted all our processes, we've developed a plug-and-play system that we can take the costs that they provide to us and input them into our spreadsheets and our estimating software and produce a fire alarm proposal as part of our electrical contract. So that's allowed us to really now wrap our arms completely, and we're full circle now. We have certain skilled, call them technicians, not just electricians. It's all low voltage components, low voltage wiring, so we're doing it anyway. What we needed to complete the puzzle is someone to tell us what to do, tell us how to do it, tell us what to control, the elevators, the HVAC. How do we do that? As long as we have the right solution, okay, we're happy to install it. So we've relied on JEM to design the job, procure the materials, make their own decisions, whether it's Honeywell, Siemens, whoever it's going to be, and then provide us with the materials when we need it. So we're not fixated on what brand, as long as it works, as long as the supply chain, which is a big thing today, is efficient and is reliable. And we rely on you guys to do all of that. So right now we have a warehouse full of devices that's going to sunset. It's ready and waiting to go. It's delivered in a certain manner. It's given to us within a certain time frame because we have a schedule to meet, but you need the right partnerships. You need a kind of partnership that whether it's a big job, a small job, at the end of the day, the client is calling you, they have a problem, you have to fix the problem. You're only as good as your word, as far as I'm concerned. You're only as good as the last job that you did. The word gets around. Okay? We need the right partners. Fire alarm we haven't done it up until now. We've always said we don't have a license to do it. We don't have the qualifications to do it. If we're going to do it, we need the right people on board. We have found that in JEM. We've used those resources effectively, and we're going to carry on doing so.